Allora, oggi facciamo il brownie con cacao, banane, senza farina e senza zucchero, ai frutti di bosco. Schiacciamo 2 banane, io ce l'ho qui belle mature, così sono più dolci.
Take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.
Schiacciate bene. Li potete anche frullare, vedete un po' quello.
Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry,
Adesso aggiungiamo
just come share
2
my
uova,
pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the
e adesso aggiungiamo
truth
30 grammi di cacao amaro.
and call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I
Così
can
il cacao
turn
sarà
it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. If things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow
E adesso
and
aggiungiamo
rain, rain, go away.
quello suggello.
Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go
170 gradi per 20 minuti.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain.